Alright. Battle of El Alamein by Adrian Guzman and Alex C. The Battle of El Alamein took place in El Alamein, Egypt. This is the battle map of El Alamein and shows the movements of both sides of the battle and how the German and Italian forces took land during the war, but also started to lose some. These are the participants in the Battle of El Alamein. It was fought between the Axis, which was Germany and Italy, versus Britain and some of their own allies. The Suez Canal is what basically started this battle, and was an important shipping lane for Britain. The Suez Canal was important to them because it gave access to the Middle East oil fields. So losing the Suez Canal would hurt them a lot. And if Germany won, it strengthened their already weak oil supply. The first Battle of El Alamein started July 1st and ended July 27th. It ended in a draw, but Germany's forces pushed Britain back to the city borders. But because Germany regrouped because they were tired, the British counterattacked and took back the land that they lost, thus both sides gaining and losing very little in the first conflict of El Alamein. After the first Battle of El Alamein, Prime Minister Winston Churchill put Lieutenant General Bernard Montgomery in charge, and he came up with the Operation Lightfoot. Operation Lightfoot was a two-front attack and was to clear paths for tanks to come in. The second Battle of El Alamein started off with Operation Lightfoot. They started with sending artillery and then their infantry. The infantry was basically a distraction for the engineers to remove the anti-tank mines. Operation Lightfoot was a success and provided the British the full-scale attack they needed to end the battle. The British and the Axis forces were in a brute battle from October 27th to November 1st. The British gained the upper hand because of their bigger numbers and slowly pushed them to the Egyptian border. Rommel accepted defeat and contacted Germany and told them that they could no longer fight anymore, so they retreated while Italian forces held back Britain. On November 11th, the British had pushed the Axis out of Egypt, and thus winning the Battle of El Alamein.